pool water pH fluctuates way too much, and it's probably messing with your swim time more than you realize. So, first, always test your source water quality before you add anything to your pool. If your tap water is all over the place, it'll mess with your pool's pH no matter what. Next, when you add chemicals like chlorine or pH adjusters, do it slowly and in small amounts. Rushing it just makes things worse. Keep a daily log of your pH levels so you can spot patterns and know when to act early. Also, try to add chemicals during cooler parts of the day. Heat can speed up reactions and cause spikes. Don't forget to circulate the water well after adding anything so the chemicals mix evenly. If you notice your pH bouncing back quickly, check if your stabilizer levels are off because that controls chlorine's effectiveness and can indirectly affect pH. Lastly, consider using pH buffers that help keep things steady instead of constant adjustments. One of the biggest problems with pool water pH is testing it wrong. Using expired or cheap test kits can give you bad readings, so always get reliable ones and replace them regularly. Another common issue is adding too much acid or base at once. This freaks out the balance and causes wild swings, so always measure carefully and add chemicals bit by bit. The third problem is ignoring the source water quality. If your fill water has a high pH or hardness, it throws everything off unless you treat it first. To fix these, upgrade your testing tools, pace your chemical additions, and test your source water before filling or topping off your pool. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff for pool care and any big fixes you might need. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to find new gigs and grow your business without stressing over marketing.